Hi everybody, I'm Alan de la Torre. I'm studying a master's degree in sustainability in the University of Sonora, and I'm going to present in this workshop a study called Energy Poverty in Mexico, the case of the Northwestern State of Sonora, in collaboration with Javier Esquer and Carlos Anaya. First, we're going to start with the definition of energy poverty. It was addressed as follows. A household is said to be fuel poor if it needs to spend more than 10% of its income on fuel to maintain an adequate level of warmth. The idea to develop this topic in energy poverty was because in Mexico, especially in Sonora, it's a non-talk topic, so we want to know about the conditions of the people and know how to affect the life quality of the families in the city. The study consisted of an investigation to know the energy poverty situation in the city of Hermosillo, which is capital of Sonora State. This study consisted in applying a survey in marginal suburbs selected through information obtained from Mexican institutions. The sample to apply the survey was 115 homes distributed in 3 suburbs in the city. The design of the survey was based in 6 indicators related to energy poverty in the homes that needs to be satisfied. If one of these is not satisfied, the family is going to be considered in energy poverty situation. These 6 indicators are water heating, cooking food, refrigerator, lighting, thermal comfort, and entertainment. The survey consisted in 30 questions, and I'm going to show the most important results. In the first graphic, we have the percentage of monthly incomes spent in electrical and gas bills. In the result, we have that 80% of the families spend 5 to 10% of their incomes. 18% spend more than 10%, which is considered in energy poverty situation. And just 2% spend less than 5% of their incomes. In the second graphic, we have the education of the head of the family. First, we have that 57% just have finished the middle school, 30% just have elementary school, and 11% have a high school degree. The third graphic shows the monthly incomes of the families. The minimum wage in Mexico is 3,700 Mexican pesos. As we can see, 70% earn less than minimum wage and 83% earn between the minimum wage to 10,000 Mexican pesos. In the fourth graphic, we have the cooking system. All the people answer that they use a gas stove, so this is not a problem for the families. In the graphic 5 is about the fridge. All the people that answer the survey, they have a fridge, but most of the people have a 10 years old or more fridge, which is less efficient than the new ones. So in the sixth graphic is about air condition in the bedroom. All the people say that they have an air conditioner. This is because in the Hermosillo city is really hot. So it's a necessity to have an air conditioner in the bedroom. The next graphic is about boiling water. 44% answer that they have gas boiler. 7% heat the water in a stove or grill. 30% use an electric shower, and 2% have an electric resistance to heat water. But 70% don't have anything to heat water. The next graphic is about illumination in the house. This is something interesting because most of the people have fluorescent light or LED light, leaving the conventional light useful. This should be because in some years the Mexican government implement a program to use LED light instead of conventional light, where the government gives to the families LED light in exchange to conventional light. In the ninth graphic, we have the entertainment equipment in the house. As we can see, the almost all the families have a TV, but just 34 have a cell phone, 33 computer, 7 laptop, 22 internet, and just 4 video games console of the 115 families survived. The last graphic is about the effect of COVID-19 contingency in the monetary incomes of the family. This was something unexpected because 93% of the survivors answered that they don't were affected by the COVID situation, and just 6% told us that they have a negative impact in their family. Uh, this could be because the economy in that suburbs runs different than the rest of the city. This is because these are suburbs marginalized of the city, and they make their things in their own way. So this is one of the theories that why they don't were affected by this situation as the rest of the world. So as a conclusion, we can say that most of the families satisfy the six social indicator, and they spend just 5 to 10% of their income in energy bills. But when you are in these suburbs, you can see a different panorama of the city. You can see a lot of violence, insecurity, bad conditions of living, and other things that we cannot put in this survival consider because this corresponds to other aspects. Something that is like a little bit surprising is about the COVID situation that most of the people were not affected with this. Well, this is all for my parts. Thank you for giving me this space to participate, and thank you.